Hey there, Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do another Ed Sheeran song. This one is a very beautiful ballad. We're going to be playing in 6/8 time. So that means we'll be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. The other thing that's a little new for, I guess, this channel is using a brush. We're going to use a brush just in the right hand. It's going to give that nice kind of crispy contrast to the bass and snare that we'll play with the left hand. So maybe we can get this done in, I think, 2 steps. The first step is going to be our right hand brush and the snare on the left. Then we're going to bring in the bass. So first things first, if you're wondering about what technique I'm going to use with this brush, let's cut to a very quick shot just so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just holding this brush exactly the same way that I would hold a pen or a pencil. I find that it gives me a lot of control over the dynamics, and I think it just feels natural to me. So anyway, there's how I'm holding the brush. Okay, so step 1, as I mentioned, is going to be right hand brush, left hand snare. We're going to count it just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's get started. Okay, so you can hear that we're hitting our snare on 4 each bar, right? Now we're going to add in the bass on 1 and 6. All right, so that's everything. So a couple of things to remember while you practice this. There is a lot of space, all right? And so one thing that we tend to do in that open space is we tend to speed up. For whatever reason, we get excited about completing the task of hitting the next note. And I think psychologically, that's why rhythms with a lot of space in them are a bit hard to counter that natural urge to speed up. And yeah, I find practicing with a metronome at, those tempos like 60 or 40 has a great effect on my patience as well as a player. So that's been really beneficial. So there we have it. I hope you had a lot of fun learning this groove. And if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys on another video very soon. Catch you later.